Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that's by the brand called Cuisinart. And pretty much what it is a mini prep processor for food and whatnot. But before I open up, I want to show you guys the option of what you guys can actually do on here. So there's 4 different options on here, as you can see. So 1, 2, 3, 4 different options on here that you can actually use this product for. But now let's actually open up. So when we first open the package, you guys can see that they provide you a little smaller spatula, which is kind of awesome right here. So you can actually scoop up anything from the actual product. So that way you can make sure everything is off the actual product itself and you guys don't waste anything. Next up, you guys can see that there's a little cable right here. Let's take out this component first. So when we take out that component, you guys can see there's the actual product itself. But before we take that part out, you guys can see that there's a little instruction guide on how to use the product and whatnot. So once we take out the product, there's nothing else in the bottom. You guys can see it's empty. So first thing, let's actually open this part up and show you guys what it actually looks like first. So if you guys can see, here is the product itself. Very, very nice. They actually have a lot of different color options on here, but I got the pink one because I'm gonna give this as a gift to someone. So basically how this works is that you guys will open this component up right here, put in your product inside, and then you guys can press either chop or grind down here in the bottom. Close back up the lid like this, and you guys can start grinding stuff. But before you guys start grinding stuff, you guys want to close your lid like this to lock it in place. And then before I show you guys the interior of the product, let me show you guys the exterior. So just like I mentioned just now, there's a chop and grind option on here. So all you have to do is kind of push this button down, up and down. Buttons are quite quiet if you guys can hear. Not that loud at all. They have the little logo right here, and the bottom they have kind of like some grip material to help the product from sliding and moving around when you guys are grinding it, which is pretty awesome. Right here, if you guys can see, there's a handle which is pretty strong. If you guys can see, it supports it really well. And then this component itself, you guys can actually remove the whole entire thing. So if you guys want to just turn it like that to unlock it, and then you guys can take the whole component out like that. And if you guys want to put it back in, just put it in the right angle, like that, and then just lock it back in place and it won't move. If you guys can see, it's not like the juicers that I've tested in the past. Like, it's so easy to take out, so easy to clean, that you guys barely have to do anything to maintain and clean this product, which is awesome. So the only way for us to find out whether or not this is actually worth it or not and how well it works is go to test it out first. So let's go do that first and then come back and talk more about the product. Alright, so here we have the product all set up right here. So all you have to do right now is press the button right here, either chop or grind 1 time, and you can see how strong it is. So if I click the chop 1 time, you can see how it's really, really strong. Same thing for the grind. It's kind of loud if you guys can hear, but you guys can see that the product does work and actually works quite well. So I want to advise that you guys, when you guys first get this product, definitely wash everything first before using it, because you never know where it's been. So you want to make sure you wash everything first before using it, just to be clean and be sanitized and whatnot. So I'm just using a little orange or tangerine really quick to show you guys how strong it is. I didn't clean it right now, as I'm not going to use this product to drink or eat this product, but I'm just to show you guys how strong this product is, so you guys can actually put this whole entire tangerine or orange inside. So I'm put this inside just to show you guys how strong it can be. So just open the lid like that, just dump the whole entire thing in like this, and then actually start grinding everything. So usually you guys don't want to put the whole entire thing like that, but I just want to show you guys how strong it is. So just make sure everything's locked in place. And you guys can start clicking the button right here. So I'll just use chop to show you guys how strong it can actually perform. Alright, so you can see the whole entire orange or tangerine is all chopped up, which is pretty awesome. And then once you guys opened up the product, just like that, you guys can see that's all chopped up really nicely, which is pretty awesome. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see that actually does work and it works really well. Drying is really easy, cleaning is very easy like I mentioned earlier, and if you guys saw in the video how I removed it, you guys can see it's really easy to remove and just clean it so easily. Like, just rinse the water inside, you guys can take out the blade, so that way it's safer to kind of like wash everything with your little sponge and whatnot. So it's really easy to use, manage, and clean, which is really awesome. And for this product, you guys can actually process anything like apples, like hard nuts, fruits, vegetable, whatever the case you guys want to grind to process your food and whatnot. Definitely you guys can do that on here if you guys saw in the video. It is a little bit loud when you guys click on it, but it's definitely not so loud to the point you guys can't handle it. It actually is tolerable. So now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this product is really, really worth it if you guys want one or need one, especially for people who need to process their food if they can't eat it with their teeth and whatnot, or they just need to grind up to make certain like sauce or hummus or something that is smaller and more minimal. Then this product would be really, really awesome and save you a lot of time, and really easy to clean like I mentioned. So it's really awesome product overall. But obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a little unboxing, testing, and feedback of this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that'll be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have